protected by peacock bird. Then Shakuntalam adhikrutya krutam natakam Shakuntalam, the drama having Shakuntala for its subject, Shakuntalam. Abhignayate anena iti abhignanam, that by which something is remembered, a sign of recognition, the token, which is a ring in the present case. The second title, Abhignan Shakuntala. It is explained as Abhignanena Smruta Shakuntala and is made applicable to the natak by lakshana or metaphor. Third title, Abhignan Shakuntalam. Abhignanena Smruta Shakuntala Yasmin Yan Natakam Abhignan Shakuntalam. The drama in which Shakuntala is remembered by a token. Abhignan Shakuntalam is explained other ways also. Abhignan Pradhanam Shakuntalam. Abhignan Pradhanam Shakuntalam. The Shakuntal in which the token ring plays an important part, that is Abhignan Shakuntalam. Professor Ray takes Abhignan Shakuntalam as a Dvandva compound, samas. He explained that the ring and Shakuntala play an equal important part in the play. That way he explained Abhignan Shakuntalam. Shakuntalam depicts the love story of Dushyanta and Shakuntala, in which union, separation, and reunion of lovers reaches to a divine height. The plot of this drama can be divided in 13 steps. The introduction of Dushyant into Pinan's Grove of Karna. Second, the mutual love at first sight of Dushyant and Shakuntala. Third, their Gandharva marriage. 4. The curse of Durvasa with its disastrous result. 5. The departure of Shakuntala for Hastinapur. 6. The loss of the token ring. 7. The repudiation of Shakuntala and her being carried away to a celestial asylum. 8. The discovery of the ring and the consequent agony of the king on recovering his memory. 9. Dusyanta's journey to heaven and back again in the chariot of Indra. 10. His unexpected meeting with a refractory boy in the hermitage of marriage. 11. The search for the amulet by which the boy is provided to be his son. 12. The meeting with Shakuntala. And last, the happy reunion of the lovers in the end. This way, we can divide the plot of Shakuntalam in 13 steps. Now let us analyze the play act-wise. First act comprises of the Nandi, introduction, and two scenes. The Nandi depicts the worship of Lord Shiva. Isha vaha avatu. May Isha protect you. In introduction of the play, and the playwright Kalidas say, Adya khalu Kalidas grathita vastuna navena abhignana Shakuntalakhyena natakena upasthatavim asmabhihi. First scene depicts the hunting expedition. Then the king enters the hermitage. Mruganu sarinam sakshat pasyamiva pinakinam. Mruganu sarinam sakshat pasyamiva pinakinam. Then Vaikhanasas are stopping the king from hunting and told the king, Bho bho Rajana, ashram mrugoyam, na hantavya. And they give him a boon. Putramevam gunopetam, chakravartinam apnuhi. You may get a son endowed with such virtues and destined to be a universal monarch. Second scene depicts the conversation between the king and the hermit girls, Ashram Kanya, gives him information about Shakuntala. The king falls in love with her. Ansuya said, indicating Shakuntala's father, that Tama avayoho priya sakhyaha prabhavam avagaccha. Know him, the said Vishwamitra, know him to be the generator of our friend Shakuntala. Shakuntala also fall in Dushyanta's love. She said, Kinnu khalvimam janam prekshya tapovan virodhino vikarasya gamaniyasmi samvritta. How is it that on seeing this person, Dushyant, I have become susceptible of an emotion which is inconsistent with a penance crow. Dushyant also convinced that Bhava Hrudayam Sabhilasam Samprati Sandeha Nirnayo Jata. Do cherish your wish, O heart. What was a matter doubt whether Shakuntala is Kshatriya Kanya or Brahmin Kanya has now been turned into a certainty. Second act comprises of two scenes. First scene depicts Vidusaka's soliloquy. Then the conversation between him and Dushyant. Then the commander-in-chief, Senapati, enters. Then the hunting expedition ceases. Second scene of second act depicts the king recounts in confidence his love for Shakuntala to Vidushaka. The sages extend an invitation to the king. Karabhaka brings the queen mother's message and Vidushaka is sent to the capital by Dushyant. At that time, Dushyant thought that Vidushak will reveal the love story of Shakuntala. So, he told Vidushak that न खलु सत्यमेव तापस कन्यकायाम ममाभिलाषः न खलु सत्यमेव तापस कन्यकायाम ममाभिलाषः क्व वयं क्व परोक्षमन्मथो क्व वयं क्व परोक्षमन्मथो मृगशावैः सममेधितो जनः क्व वयं क्व परोक्षमन्मथो मृगशावैः सममेधितो जनः परिहास परिहास विजल्पितं सखे परिहास विजल्पितं सखे परमार्थेन न गृह्यतां वचः परमार्थेन न गृह्यतां वचः. Where we are and where the person Shakuntala, bred with fawns and a stranger to love, O friend, let not my words uttered in jest be taken in earnest as of true import. The whole tragedy of Shakuntala seems to be rooted in this verse. Third act comprises of prelude and two scenes. Prelude depicts, that is Viscampaka, a pupil of Kanva describes the indisposition of Shakuntala. First scene depicts love-lorn Dushyant goes to the bank of river Malini. Second scene depicts Dushyant discovers Shakuntala and her two friends in a creeper bower. Shakuntala's love letter, Madan Lake. The king's conversation with the hermit girls, which confirms Shakuntala's love for him. They leave the lovers alone. The private talk of the lovers is interrupted by the news of Gautami's arrival. The king hides himself and receives an implied invitation from Shakuntala, who goes with Gautami. First, Ansuya indicates the arrival of Gautami in these words.